Everyone, today we're gonna have a change of pace in the race shop. We're at Dirty D's garage and we're gonna make some homemade drums for the garage. We're not gonna have a drum set in the garage. We're actually gonna build a set of drums in the garage with whatever we can find in here. Here we go. Here's some buckets I think we can use. Yeah, we'll try some of those. Yeah, I think we'll try some of these. We got a few of them there. There's an old flue pipe. There we go. Now we're talking. Oh, we got all kinds of stuff. Oh, here's some. Oh yeah, I think we're gonna use the old race car fund. For today's performance, we actually have some real drumsticks we're gonna use, but we're gonna bring in E-Rock and see how he does.